So it's a German helmet. Wow. Wow, guys, it's a jackpot. What a beautiful helmet. You see a lot of damage. Wow, it's really awesome. I think it will need to be paint. Very nice. Inside also very good.
Infanterie und schwere Waffen werden auf Meeren übersetzt. In scharfem Nachdringen werden die Bolschewisten auf immer engeren Raum zusammengedrängt. Die äußerste Spitze der Halbinsel ist erreicht. Sommerhitze und dichter Staub erschweren den Vormarsch. Trotzdem werden alle Tagesziele planmäßig erreicht.
In today's video, we're doing a small restoration of a German helmet found on the Eastern Front.
So my friends, there it is, that helmet from latest expedition. You see there is a lot of battle damage. Maybe that helmet was like a target. Maybe some Soviet soldier trained on it. But I think it's not like bullet holes. Maybe it's more look like shrapnel. I think that one, yes, can be bullet, but that one, it's all like shrapnel. So, okay, I will clean it a little bit with soap and show you how it looks like. So how it looks after soap cleaning. Yes, you see a little rusty, but I think after oxalo cleaning can be very nice helmet. Very nice, very sturdy and heavy. See some black paint, or maybe it's from fire. Also very nice that form of that helmet, it's complete full, and you see it's very sturdy, Very nice helmet. Looks very nice. Battle damage helmet from Eastern Front. So guys, fresh find my teammate M42 in battle damage, with battle damage, and what I want to show you. Oh, SS decal. You see it? SS German helmet. Very nice. Wow. I think maybe after oxalic cleaning it will be better, but looks nice. It's inside.